Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello my friends, and welcome back to WCrypto. If you're into Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum and all things crypto, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into some of the latest topics from the past weeks, so let's jump right in. So the topics of today will be technical analysis of Bitcoin, Solana and Ethereum, talking about Tether and the UAE, the Binance legal challenges. Alright, let's dive into some technical analysis. Bitcoin USD. We've seen some wild action recently, especially with the Japan carry trade drop. This even saw Bitcoin drop around minus 30% in a couple of hours, leading to a cascade of long liquidations. This resulted in millions in liquidations and open interest. Now, here's where things get interesting for Bitcoin enthusiasts. The price action. Bitcoin has just moved above the daily 21 EMA, which is a significant bullish signal. Not only that, but it's also breaking out of the trend line on the daily, 4 hourly and 1 hourly charts. This could be the beginning of a new uptrend, but remember, with crypto, patience and confirmations are key. Now to Ethereum, ETH USD and ETH BTC. Since the ETF launch, the monthly chart for ETH USD has been trending downwards, largely due to Grayscale selling off. If you look at ETH BTC, you're looking at a minus 43% drop since the merge. This paints a bearish picture for Ethereum in the short term. The transaction fees, while ETH fees are currently down, don't let it fool you. From personal experience, during the last bull run of 2021, these fees could skyrocket. And imagine being stuck in an other borrowing position because the fee to release the asset jumps from 70 cents to $400. It's a scenario worth considering for anyone thinking about long-term holds or DeFi plays with Ethereum. Take a look at one of my videos where I use DeFi on Arbitrum. Now, Solana, it's been a roller coaster. Last time I did a video on Solana, the price was around $140 and it surged to $190. Now we're back at $140. My take on Sol is, Solana remains strong in my book. If you're not holding Sol, it might be worth considering. It's not financial advice, but Solana's ecosystem and speed continue to make it a standout in the crypto space. Remember, these are just observations and not investment advice. Always do your own research, especially in markets as volatile as crypto. The Japan carry trade event shows how quickly things can change. Now let's talk about Tether in the UAE. So Tether is making headlines again, this time with a new stablecoin pegged to the UAE dirham. In collaboration with the UAE-based companies, Tether is expanding into the Middle East, offering a localized stablecoin option. And this isn't just about offering another stablecoin, it's about creating a bridge between traditional finance in the Middle East and the crypto world. You can go in and out very easily from dirhams into crypto. And this could revolutionize remittances, cross-border payments and even local transaction by reducing costs and increasing speed. And this move might also signal a broader acceptance of crypto in regions where fiat currency stability is a concern. What do you think? Would this be the start of a crypto boom in the Middle East? Moving on to some legal drama, Binance and its former CEO, CZ, are facing a new class action lawsuit with allegations of money laundering. He will be free around September, so this could start the next bull run. This isn't just another legal hiccup, part of a broader narrative where regulatory scrutiny on crypto exchanges is intensifying. Each new case like this not only pressures Binance to enhance its compliance, but also sets precedents for how crypto exchanges worldwide might need to operate. Could this lead to stricter KYC processes, or might it push users towards decentralized exchanges? What do you think? And finally, let's talk about Donald Trump and his ever-evolving stance on cryptocurrencies. Historically, he's been skeptical, but recent hints suggest a shift. At the Bitcoin 2024 conference in Nashville, Trump floated ideas like Strategic National Bitcoin Stockpile, and replacing SEC Chair Gary Gensler. While these ideas got the crypto community buzzing, the reception was mixed. The speech felt off script and the energy was low, leading some to question if this was just political pandering or a genuine political shift. Here's where it gets interesting. If Trump were to implement these policies, it could significantly alter the crypto landscape in the US. But with the lukewarm reception, would these ideas gain traction? Or will they remain just that, ideas? What does this mean for the future of crypto in the US? Only time will tell. Here's the recent Bitcoin ETF flow. And we are positive again after the heavy selling from the Japan carry trade Black Swan. So we are positive again. Overall, it's going up. Let's see what the next days bring. If you haven't seen this chart, go visit their website. It's from parsite.co.uk. They also have the Ethereum ETF inflows. This was also an interesting find on Twitter, and it shows the S&P 500. It's steady up for the last years, which for investors looks really nice. But if you compare it to Bitcoin, it's definitely losing. So the better choice would be Bitcoin. I mean, obviously, we are here on a Bitcoin channel, but it's still very interesting. Wanted to add this chart to the video. That's a wrap for today's crypto update. The crypto world moves fast, so make sure to stay informed. If you have found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more updates, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a thing. What are your thoughts on the latest developments? Drop a comment below, and until next time, keep trading, keep learning, and stay crypto curious.